Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This one is $2,100 from my favorite company, Sole Supremacy, so it should be a really great box. $2,000 from Sole Supremacy obviously means we're gonna see some crazy heat, so I'm super excited to open this one up with you guys today. But before we get into this mystery box, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Surfshark. Now guys, Surfshark is my go-to VPN service because they have a huge plethora of different features and stuff to keep you safe and secure when you guys are online. If you guys don't know what a VPN service is, basically a VPN service protects you while you're online because there's a lot of people and hackers out there that are trying to steal your data. And I mean, let's face it guys, we're on our emails all the time, social medias all the time, we're surfing the web, watching YouTube videos. That's why you guys need a VPN service, because you guys don't want to be compromised and you guys want to be protected. Which is why I love Surfshark so much, because they keep you safe, it's super affordable, and it's just a really easy tool to use, guys. You guys can either have it on your phone or on your computer, and it's not complicated to set up at all. You literally just open up the app, you click on a server, Surfshark connects you to that server, and then boom, you guys are good to go. It takes seconds to set up, and then from there you guys are protected and safe online. So I highly recommend you guys download Surfshark, guys. It's linked in the description below, and when you guys use the code UNTIEDHAWAII, you actually get 85% off and 3 extra months for free when you guys use that code. So don't forget to use code UNTIEDHAWAII, use that link in the description, and you guys will get a great VPN service for an incredible price. And one of the best things is Surfshark actually has a 30-day money-back guarantee policy, so that means you guys can try it out risk-free. If you guys like it, then you guys can keep the service going. If not, then you guys can get a refund on it, which is a really great thing. They just want you to be happy with their service, and that's why I really mess with this company, guys. They're very legit, and they're just trying to protect you and keep you safe online. So check it out, guys. I know you love it just as much as I do. Anyway, let's check out what we got in today's mystery box now. This one is going to be a banger. Like I said, $2,100 from Sole Supremacy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you guys are excited and you guys want to see some crazy shoes. Let's see what we got. The first shoe that we have without a box is this pair of Nike SB Dunks. I believe that these are called the Goofy Boys. I'm not too sure. But yeah, definitely a beater sneaker, man. I'll show you guys up close exactly what I'm talking about. But first things first, we do have a size 13 over here. Like, check it out over here, guys. This is what happens with like SBs and stuff after a long time. On the back heel over here, you see a lot of like cutting into the heel. So these like holes and stuff open up in the shoe. One sign that's been worn a lot and worn heavily. This one was released in 2008 though. So it is to be expected that it is going to be a little bit more beat, but for the most part the uppers are kind of intact still. It's just this back heel over here is going to be a killer. Pretty cool sneaker over here, and still, because it is a Nike SB Dunk, it will fetch a lot of resale value on the counter over here. Additionally, if you guys do want to buy any of these shoes, as a heads up, you guys can head over to untiedhawaii.com. They will be listed on the website over there, so you guys can purchase these if you guys want. All right, next up we have this box over here, and I'm already certain this is a Jordan 11, and we probably know which shoe this is just based off of the box. Jordan 11 in a 10.5. For the actual pair though, it is a pair of Jordan 11 72 and 10s, and I've said it many times on the channel before, this is one of the most slept on Jordan 11s in my opinion. Really nice colorway, really great design, and I don't know why more people don't cop these things, because this is a great cop if you guys are into 11s. I mean, check it out up close. Obviously this one is going to be a worn example and it's not in the greatest condition, but just check out the details and stuff on this thing and you guys will see what I mean. This red metallic Jumpman over here is dope, and you guys can see that the leather quality on this is really nice as well. I think this is probably going to be like about $100 or so, so it's not super expensive either. For the most part, Jordan 11s can get really expensive. So if you guys are like trying to start a collection and stuff, in my opinion, I think this is like one of the best starter shoes to have, just because it's affordable and it looks really nice. Next shoe is man, this box is really falling apart over here. We have another Nike SB box though. This one is in a size 13 though, and I mean, it kind of gives it away when you guys read this over here. It says Newcastle's on this. Size 13 SB Dunk Low Premium, and it is a pair of the Newcastle, so this is a nice one to see. I think recently these things actually blew up in price because Travis Scott wore them, so anything that Travis wears, right, they go up in resale value. So this should fetch a lot of money on the resale counter, guys. Probably one of the better shoes in the box. Check it out over here. This is the Newcastles, and it's definitely a unique colorway, guys. It's a lot of like muted yellow on this thing and kind of orangey, to be honest. This one is in used condition, but for the most part I do think it looks like it's in pretty solid condition. A lot better than that other Nike SB Dunk that we just saw. There's not as much star loss on this and not as much heel drag either, so pretty good condition for these things. And when people like Travis Scott wear them, everybody wants them, so they will continue to keep rising in price because they probably won't be retroed in the future. I think we got like 4 sneakers left in here. ACG Nikes in a size 10.5. Oof. I do not like this at all. But I mean, I guess it's supposed to make sense because they're supposed to be like all-terrain shoes and stuff. So I get it. It's just, in terms of like style, this is not something that you would wear out like just, you know, cruising around and stuff. This is more like you definitely need to use it for what it's for, which is like hiking. There is a little bit of use on the bottom, so I would say maybe worn once, but overall the thing looks like it's in very good shape. You guys can see there's like drainage holes and stuff over here, which is supposed to be for like hiking so you don't get like waterlogged and stuff. So that's kind of cool. Also, also you guys can see those treads on the bottom are really, really heavy. So it's supposed to be for like hiking and stuff, which I think is cool. Overall, not a shoe for me, but I'm sure a lot of people like them. Ooh, wow. Okay, so we have a pair of Kobe's in here too. It's like a Kobe half box because it looks like the lid is ripped off over here. But this one is in a size 13. A lot of size 13s today. And as much as I love Kobe, man, this shoe just doesn't look that great. So swoosh over here is kind of interesting. It's like a triple layered swoosh. You guys can see the 3 little points over here. Same thing for the Mamba logo up here on the top. But the upper is made out of, but the upper and stuff just doesn't look that great. So I'm not expecting a lot of resale on that. And that's okay because I don't want to capitalize on like Kobe and stuff either. Definitely will be going for a good price online. Size 13, I can't wear it. And yeah, just not one for me. 3 shoes left in here, I think. Air Max 97 in a size 11.5. Okay. Interesting, dude. I've seen these in pictures. I've never seen these in person before. I can't even remember what these things are called. I think they're supposed to be like Air Max 97 golf shoes though. And it's supposed to like mimic like golf like greens because of that top. Like look at it up close. This is what it looks like. There's like a lot of like furriness on the top and very green. I don't know, man. This is not something that I would want to wear personally. I'm not a big fan of the 97s, and just this upper is just so wild that I don't like it. But I think there is a decent amount of hype on this, and I do think that there's good resale on these things as well. And because it is obviously like brand new, it still has a StockX tag on it. Should fetch a good price. We're seeing a lot of cool stuff that we've never seen before. This is why I love Sole Supremacy boxes. They have like a great mix of different things like hype shoes, new shoes, worn shoes, and just shoes that you probably will not see on the market like overall. So it really like ups my game on like learning about different shoes and seeing different like varieties of shoes, which is why I love going to them, because not only will I make profit for sure, but it also just helps me like learn more about the culture of shoes too. So I've learned a lot just from opening up their boxes. We do have 2 shoes left in here, and they both look like Jordan 1, so I'm expecting good things. This one is a Jordan 1 in a size 11, and it says that it's a women's Jordan 1, so size 11 would be a size 9.5 in men's. Oh, okay. This is a pair of the Jordan 1 Black Toe Satins, guys. I don't know if I've seen this in person before, but the quality on this is pretty nice. I know that these things were kind of a huge bust though, because a lot of people thought they would like blow up like the Bread Satins or the Royal Satins, but these things did not take off. Same thing with the Satin Snakes. Those didn't blow up either. Check this thing out up close though. I don't know why this one didn't take off. The leather quality on this thing is really nice. This Jordan logo I'm not a big fan of, but overall it looks like a pair of Jordan 1 Black Toes, and I don't know why this thing isn't taking off more. I think it's a really nice colorway, a really good look. All right, and the last shoe in here is another Jordan 1, like I said, and the lid is kind of falling off, so I already know what it is. Jordan 1 in a size 9, and guys, this one is a banger because we have a pair of the Jordan 1 shattered backboards, man. OGs 1.0 shattered backboards, one of the most iconic Jordan 1s of all time, and usually a grail for a lot of people. The Jordan 1 shattered backboard 1.0 is iconic for the fact that it has one of the best leather qualities on any shoe, guys. You guys can just see on that leather, this thing is supple leather, man. Really soft and just really like good looking leather, and it just feels really nice. You guys can see on the toe box over here, there's not that much creasing either, so this one isn't that worn, which means that it'll probably fetch a lot of resale value, especially like selling these things during like Halloween time and stuff. People really get hyped over this stuff just because, I mean, orange and black got those pumpkin vibes, so a lot of people buy it like for a better price during Halloween time. So if I can try to sell this quickly, I'm sure it'll fetch a lot of money. So great way to finish the box over here. And that is actually it, guys. We are now tapped out in this box, emptied over here. Overall, I mean, I feel like this is a pretty solid box. We got a couple of strong dead stock shoes in here. We got the Jordan 1 shattered backboards. We got a couple of Nike SB Dunks. It's a good mix of stuff, and for $2,000, I definitely feel like we made value on this box, which is why I love going back to Sole Supremacy, guys. But yeah, guys, that's it for this beater box. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Really great mystery box over here, and a lot better than the one that we saw last week, so that is a sigh of relief. Don't forget to check out the sponsor of today's episode, Surfshark, as well. When you guys use that link in the description below and use the code UNTIEDHAWAII, you will get 85% off your order and 3 extra free months. So don't forget to use that, guys. Untied Hawaii is the code, and Surfshark VPN is the best VPN on the market. Highly recommend it. Check it out. That is linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button. It goes a long way in helping me and the channel grow. I love all of you guys behind the camera, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!